Are you ready to dive into the world of freelance job opportunities? Get ready for an exciting adventure. Here are some top platforms where you can find amazing freelance gigs. Upwork, it's like a bustling marketplace filled with endless possibilities. Show off your skills and reel in incredible opportunities. Freelancer, dive deep into this treasure trove of freelance projects across various industries. Discover hidden gems and collaborate with clients. Fiverr, unleash your creative superpowers on this platform. It's like a stage where you can shine and attract clients with your unique offerings. TopTal, join an elite crew of freelancers on this exclusive platform. Showcase your expertise and embark on prestigious projects. Guru, navigate through a sea of diverse freelance opportunities on this platform. Connect with clients and set sail towards success. LinkedIn, set your course for professional networking. Discover freelance gigs, make meaningful connections, and unlock new opportunities. Remote job boards, explore platforms like remote.co and We Work Remotely. They're like compasses guiding you to flexible remote work options. So, grab your gear, jump on these platforms, and let the freelance adventure begin. Your dream gig is just a click away.